So guys, here is our one more solving video has been came on this channel, and like you know, our weekly contest 4 has been ended very successfully because the previous video is the last video in the weekly contest 4. So from now we are starting our weekly contest 5, and this is our 400 question. Okay, 400 question we are solving in today's video. This is our question number 400. Okay. So let's go move the computer screen. Let's start to solve this question. So let's move the computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's start and solve our 400 question. Okay, by the name of anti digit. So this video must be smaller because this video question is very smaller and the case has also be smaller. So this video must be smaller. Okay. So and 35.3 acceptance rate. So this will be harder, I think so. Okay, because 3 lakh people have submit this and only 1 lakh people accepted. Okay, so must be hard. So first of all, we drag and drop our question in our Word file to explain you clearly. Okay, so first of all, let me drag and drop it here. So let me give the font to the pop-ins. It is saying you given an integer n, return the nth digit of the infinite integer sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it is saying you return the nth digit of the infinite integer sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, give an integer and return the nth digit of the integer sequence. So this one case 1, in the case 1 it gives the output n equals to 3 and the output has been coming 3. Okay, in our case 1 the output will become 3. In our case 1 output be 3. In our case 1 the output will become 3, and let's focus on the case 2. In the case 2 we write n equals to 11. I create a one n integer and in which I write 11 and output will become 0 because the 11th digit of a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is a 0, which is a part of the number 10. So that's why the output will become 0. So in our case 2, output will be 0. So now this is the question. In our first case 1, there are two cases. In our case 1 the output will become 3, and our case 3, in our case 2 the output will become 0. And this is the question. It is saying me given an integer n, and here it has been already given me the one integer n, and return the nth integer of infinite integer sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let's start to write a code because I understand this question and there is not any very big concept you do not understand. It is a very simple. Okay, there are not any rocket science in it. So we write digit. So now let me zoom our code from here and let me zoom my code. Okay, so how I am zooming my code? Control and plus, so your code will be zoomed. Digit in sum in underscore sum equals to 1. Right start equals to 1 and end will be equals to 9. So I created two integer. First integer name is digit in sum and second integer name is start and third integer name is end. So we are writing while loop and greater than digit in num. So this integer I have already created in our third line. Okay, so multiply by end means that I am digit in sum. I am multiplying our digit in sum integer with and integer sum. Okay, so I have multiplied it. So I am writing n integer minus equals to, in which you define one more time, define digit in num integer, then multiply by end. Then do not write semicolon, enter press, digit, one more time define digit in sum integer, and then not sum num plus equals to 1. Here I am defining you must know about the arithmetic operators because these questions are on about arithmetic operators. Okay, and there is little bit math has been also been included and DSA has been also been included. So start multiply equals to 10. Okay, and end multiply equals to 10. Okay, when we do this, so you only want to do it, enter, back, enter, num equals to start, and this start integer we have defined in our above code in our fourth line, then rounded bracket n minus 1. Now slash slash we are defining our exponentiation sign and then digit in sum. Okay, here we use the arithmetic operators. This operator name is let me tell you, operator name is exponentiation. Okay, so enter, define here return int, then str num, then square bracket, then rounded bracket n minus 1 space space, then when you define it n minus 1, okay, give here space, define this modules sign, okay, this sign name is modules, and define here digit in sum and this integer name. Okay, so perfect. So now let's understand our code. So let me highlight like this. So let's see, given an integer and digit of infinite integer, and here we define our digit in sum, okay, integer sequence 1 2 0 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I think our code is correct. Enter press. So let's start and let's run this code, and when we run it, so I hope there is not any error. So there is error in our this line, in our 7th line there is error. Why in this line the error came? Digit in num, let me zoom it, digit when n, while n greater than digit in num, digit in num, then multiply by n. Here we define all code. So why error has been coming? While n digit, here we define all things perfect, digit in sum. Okay, I think so. I write here num, by the mistake I write here sum, so that's why it is giving me the error. So now let's see, run. Okay, now our that error is gone. So in our line 7, that okay, I by the mistake I removed the semicolon. So now n, so our case are be accepted. Okay, in our last line there is also be an error. Okay, num, I write here num, but by the mistake I write sum. Okay, there is also a mistake. There are many mistakes I have do, so sorry for it. So now our case are accepted. Our case 1, case 2 are accepted. Here you can see our case 1 output has been coming 3, and our case 2 the output will become 0. So let's submit this code and let's see our code is perfectly correct or not. So here you can see we come on our top section. You can see in the 0 millisecond we solve it and we come on the top of the section. Here you can see it. We solve it very fastly in okay, here you can see it. We are coming in the top one. Here you can see it. So I hope you enjoy this video in which we solve our 400 question by the name of nth digit. So come on to my profile, and my profile name is Rayyan, you always know. So this is my profile, so go and view my profile. And we solve 100 questions successfully, as I solve 100 questions. Here you can see it. So go and see my profile and view my profile. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class or like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.